did all he could to remain invisible from detection by the authorities. For those involved in the mainstream broadcasting industry in his native England, Tom remained unapparent throughout. But to his friends, DXers, and shortwave enthusiasts around the world, he was a radio giant. We will miss him very much. Rest easy, Tom. And 73s until we all meet again. Steve Silby. EMR, One Last Time for Tom Taylor, was written by Steve Silby and produced for radio by Mark Stafford.
We hope you've enjoyed the last program, and this is EMR, now closing down. Goodbye.
Radio Joystick, P.O. Box 2331. 55512, Kreuznach, Rhineland-Palatinate, Germany.